Welcome back. In today's video, we're briefly going to touch on the provider approval queue in terms of mammogram findings. So let's go ahead and pretend that this mammogram here is actually a BI-RADS number 5 and we're going to need to perform an action. So we'll go ahead and jump into the patient's chart. As usual, we'll open up a new encounter, pull up our provider test action template, select our specialty, and choose Chart Update as the visit type. From there, I recommend ordering your panels with orders first and then action items log. The reason being is for orders, you can come into diagnostic study and go ahead and mark your original mammogram screening as completed, and then you can go ahead and hit this add button, which brings you directly into the assessment and plan screen. And from there, you can go ahead and add in assessments such as abnormal mammogram. Go ahead to my plan if you wanted to schedule a follow-up visit or pick from one of these other diagnostic studies such as the ultrasound guidance, place your order, and you can then go ahead and follow through with any additional orders you may have wanted. Save and close. And once you're out of the order screen, you can then proceed to the action items log and maybe jot down a little note. From there, you have all of these options here. Hit save and complete if you don't want to notify anyone of your action. Otherwise, hit save and task, and then you can go ahead and pick the work group that you would want to assign the action to. And the last step is to then just highlight your day's notes, scroll down a little bit and find this test action button, which generates the formal note. And once your formal note is generated, you can go ahead and look it over, sign it off. And the final step is going to be coming back to the provider test action template, finishing everything off by going to checkout and generating your requisition for your diagnostic study or any sort of labs or referrals that you may have ordered in addition. And that concludes how to navigate the provider test action. Just keep in mind that the main thing you need to do is stay within the orders and use add to get to the assessment and plan screen. Go ahead and jot down your note, hit one of these functions, test action, and then proceed to checkout to generate any formal notes. Thank you for your time.